So this is CS50 Plurality. I'm going to show you how to show this, how to solve this program. Comparatively, this is easier than the previous codes. So as we can see here, we have to input in command line the name of the candidates. Plurality is the election process. So we enter name, and as we can see, they have already given us a template code. Just follow these commands. These are fairly easy. Go in directory, make directory. We have all learned this, and wget is the new one. It automatically downloads template. So the template is like this on right side. Define max 9 defines the maximum number of candidates. Type def struct, we have learned type def. So the name of type def is candidate, as we can see there, and type def contain name and votes. Name is string and votes are int. So this statement is somewhat can be somewhat difficult. Candidate is data type, as int, string are data type, is data type, and the candidates is variable name, and max is maximum number of candidates. In this we had 9, we defined 9 in this case. Define is global, so we can't change that, and candidate count is integer. And the two following statements are two functions. We can see that later. These are the important functions. So we have just declared statements, and these two statements we have to do that work. All of the work is done. Main function is already given. We have to just apply logic and do the two functions. So in main functions, we are going to give, user is going to give arguments, and those arguments are name of the candidates that voting is done to. So maximum number is 9, as we know, and as you can see, if first statement in main function, if argc is less than 2, then you have to show usability. As you can know, argc cannot be less than 2. First is just we execute function first argument, and second are from second on we get the name of candidates. Now below that, candidate count is argc minus 1. So as we can see, first is function name, and if candidate count is greater than max, we are also going to execute maximum number of candidates here and show user these are maximum candidates. And below that, for int I is equal to 0 and I is less than candidate count. Why candidate count? Because we are going to give the names of candidate count to our type def structure, their name and words. So name as argv I plus 1. Why I plus 1? Because I first element is the name we execute. So the second goes to candidate of 0 dot name, and all the votes are currently 0, so 0 to all the candidates. And voter count, we get that from user. Now below, another for loop for voter count. I is equal to 0, I is less than voter count. Why voter count? This loop is we are doing for voter count. String name is equal to get string vote. The user inputs who they are going to vote, and this value goes to name. And below that, we execute vote function. And what is vote function? We have to do the work of vote function. And if vote function returns value of false, then a printf statement will execute invalid vote. So user has to input correct statement or the vote is not valid. And also below that, we can see print winner function. that function we are also going to define that function. Print winner function is the function prints the winners. The winner can be one or many, so it depends, but we have to print all the winners, not just one. So the the what function is fairly easy one. It returns value true or false, and as we have to go for each candidate name, so same for loop as candidate count as above. I is less than candidate count, and we are using here strcmp as strcmp is used for comparison, as you have seen in CS50 video. So strcmp compares two values, and if they are same it returns if it is true, the following is executed: candidates I dot votes plus plus. That means one vote is added and it returns true. And now here what name is, if what name is true, the value true is here, and so not true, that means false. If false, then if statement is not executed, and if return statement is false, then here if not false mean if true, and then below statement is executed below if. Now return now print winner. So this in this I int winner is equal to 0. We will see that why we did that, and we do the loop of candidate count, as we have to iterate to all the candidates. If candidate I dot votes is greater than is equal to, y is equal to, because there can be multiple winners. So, and we have started this from 1, not 0. Why 1? Because we have to compare two values, and at first iteration we are comparing first value with 0th value, as we have seen greater than is equal to candidates I minus 1. So first we will compare it 0, last we will compare it second last, and the in variable winner the index position of maximum voter is saved. Note here that only index position is saved, not votes, not the name or name of the candidate is saved. I did that because it was fairly easy than doing candidate name or votes. So, and we can do votes, and so below that we have to print all the candidates matching the maximum votes. So here we are starting from 0, and if candidates I dot votes is equal to candidates of winner dot votes, winner is index position of highest voting candidate. So we print candidates I dot name. So that's it. We print candidates. So we print every candidate and we go to new line. So here we are going to /plurality and enter the name of candidate. Let's just enter 1, name of voter is 5, vote A, win value, as it is not equal to Alice. If you enter Alice, one vote goes to Alice, invalid vote. So last line is the winner. So let's do again that one time. Let's A B C for easy typing. Number of voter, let's do 4. Votes A, let's do same votes A B B. So there should be two winners, as we can see here, A and B both won. So the below for loops that all of the winners are printed. As so that's it. So this was my first video. Please comment if it helped you at all, or sorry if got you more confused. I did as according to my knowledge. It is not best code, but it is good for beginner level knowledge. So thank you for watching. Tune in, subscribe, like, do anything, and tell me if you like me to do more videos like this or any other program videos. So thank you.